Your mind is full, constantly. Thoughts, worries, plans, memories, opinions, judgments, information, noise. All the time. Every waking moment, your mind is cluttered with mental content.
But what if you could empty it completely? Not just quiet your mind, actually empty it. No thoughts, no content, just pure, clear, open space. This is what the ancient Daoist philosopher Zhuangzi called fasting the mind.
Today, I'm teaching you this technique: how to fast your mind, how to achieve complete mental clarity by becoming completely empty.
Welcome to episode 18 of Daoist Mind Training. Today, we're exploring one of the most profound practices in Taoism, Xin Zhai, which translates to fasting of the heart-mind, or simply mind fasting.
This technique comes from Zhuangzi, one of the greatest Daoist philosophers who lived around 369 BC. In his writings, he describes a conversation where he teaches this practice to achieve true clarity and wisdom.
What is mind fasting? When you fast from food, you stop consuming. You empty your stomach. You give your digestive system a rest. Mind fasting is the same, but for your consciousness.
You stop consuming mental content. You stop feeding your mind with thoughts, opinions, judgments, plans, worries. You let it all go. You empty your mind completely.
Why your mind needs fasting. Just like your body accumulates toxins from constant eating, your mind accumulates mental clutter from constant thinking. Beliefs, assumptions, preconceptions, mental habits. All of this clouds your natural clarity.
Zhuangzi said, "The perfect man uses his mind like a mirror. It grasps nothing, it refuses nothing, it receives but does not keep." That's what mind fasting creates: a mirror-like mind, clear, empty, reflective. The difference from other meditation.
Most meditation teaches you to focus, concentrate on your breath, observe your thoughts, cultivate awareness. Mind fasting is different. You're not focusing on anything. You're not cultivating anything. You're emptying completely.
Zhuangzi taught, "Do not listen with your ears, listen with your mind. Do not listen with your mind, listen with your qi." This is the deepest level, listening not with thoughts, but with pure consciousness.
Before we practice, you need to understand what we're actually doing. Mind fasting has 3 stages. Stop listening with your ears. First, you withdraw from external stimuli. No music, no sounds, no distractions. You close your eyes. You turn inward. You stop listening to the world outside. This is the easiest stage. Most people can do this. Stage 2, stop listening with your mind. Second, you stop listening to your thoughts. Thoughts will arise, that's natural. But you don't engage with them. You don't follow them. You don't believe them. They're just mental noise. Let them come. Let them go. Don't listen.
This is harder. Your mind will want to grab onto thoughts. This is important. I should think about this. No. Let it go. Stop listening with your mind.
Stage 3, listen with your qi. Third, you enter pure awareness. You're not listening with ears. You're not listening with thoughts. You're just present, empty, open, aware. This is listening with qi, with your life force itself.
Zhuangzi called this state emptiness which waits for all things. You become like an empty room, silent, still, ready to receive everything, but grasping nothing. When your mind is truly empty, something remarkable happens. Clarity emerges, not because you're thinking clearly, because you're not thinking at all. True wisdom arises from emptiness, not from mental accumulation.
You see things as they are, not through the filter of your beliefs, assumptions, or past experiences. Just as they are. This is the clarity Zhuangzi promised.
The practice, fasting the mind.
Now we practice. This will take about 12 minutes. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a chair, on a cushion, however feels right. The position doesn't matter as much as your inner state.
Close your eyes. Let's begin.
Stage 1. Withdrawing from external.
Eyes closed. Turn your attention inward, away from the room, away from sounds, away from your body even. Just inward.
Notice your breath. Not controlling it, just noticing. Breath comes in, breath goes out. You don't need to do anything. Good. You're no longer listening with your ears. You've withdrawn from the external world. That's stage 1.
Now, the harder part. Thoughts will come. That's guaranteed. Your mind is used to being full. It will try to fill itself.
When a thought arises, don't fight it. Don't push it away. Just don't listen to it. Let it be there, like background noise. It will dissolve on its own.
A thought appears. You notice it. You don't engage. It fades. Another thought. Notice. Don't engage. It fades. Keep doing this.
Some thoughts will seem important. I need to remember this. This matters. No. Right now, nothing matters. Let it go. Stop listening with your mind. Notice the space between thoughts. That gap. That silence. That's what we're cultivating. Not the thoughts. The space.
The spaces are getting longer. Fewer thoughts. More silence. Your mind is emptying.
Stage 3. Pure emptiness.
Now, let go of even trying. You're not trying to empty your mind. You're not trying to be aware. You're not trying to do anything. Just being. Empty, open, clear. Like the sky. Thoughts might pass through like clouds, but the sky doesn't hold them. It remains empty, clear. Always. In this emptiness, clarity exists. Not as a thought, not as knowledge, just clarity. You know without knowing. You see without looking. This is listening with Qi. Slowly, gently, begin to return. Don't rush. There's no hurry. Let awareness of your body return. Your breath. The room around you. When you're ready, open your eyes. But notice, your mind is different. Clearer, lighter, more spacious. This is the gift of fasting.
That's mind fasting. 12 minutes of complete emptying. And if you did it right, you probably lost track of time. That's a good sign.
If this was your first time,
You probably didn't reach complete emptiness. That's normal. It takes practice. But even partial emptiness creates clarity. Even a few moments of true silence in your mind shifts everything. Zhuangzi said the perfect man's mind is like a mirror. It receives but does not keep. You just experienced that. Thoughts came, you received them, you didn't keep them. They dissolved. Practice this daily if you can. 10 to 20 minutes, same time each day. Your mind will resist at first. It's addicted to being full. But gradually, it learns. Emptiness becomes easier. Clarity becomes natural. After a month of daily practice, you'll notice the difference. Your mind will be clearer during the day, less cluttered, less reactive, more spacious. Decisions become easier. Stress decreases. Wisdom emerges.
Common obstacles. Obstacle 1. My mind won't empty. Good. You noticed. That's the first step. Keep practicing. Even trying to empty is beneficial. Obstacle 2. I fell asleep. Sit more upright. Open your eyes slightly. Emptiness isn't sleep. It's alert clarity. Obstacle 3. Important thoughts keep coming. They're not as important as your mind thinks. Let them go. If they're truly important, they'll return after your practice. Obstacle 4. Nothing happened. Exactly. That's the point. Nothing is happening. That's emptiness. You're looking for something dramatic, but emptiness is subtle, quiet, simple. Zhuangzi taught that the Tao, the ultimate reality, can only be known through emptiness, not through accumulating knowledge, not through thinking harder, through becoming empty. The way gathers in emptiness alone. Emptiness is the fasting of the mind. This practice isn't just for clarity, it's for connecting with the deepest truth of existence.
When your mind is empty, you touch something infinite, boundless, eternal. You realize you're not just your thoughts, you're the space in which thoughts appear. You're the emptiness itself.
Here's the real practice. Can you bring this emptiness into your daily life? Not just in meditation, but in conversations, in work, in decisions. Can you listen to someone without filling your mind with responses? Can you face a problem without immediately cluttering your mind with solutions? Can you stay empty long enough to let wisdom arise naturally? That's the ultimate goal. Not 20 minutes of emptiness on a cushion, but a mind that remains spacious, clear, and empty throughout life. Like a mirror, receiving everything, keeping nothing.
If this practice resonated with you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments. Share what you experienced. And check out the other episodes in this series, especially episode 3 on Zhuangzi, which pairs perfectly with this. Both teach emptiness, just from different angles.
Empty your mind. Discover clarity. Touch the infinite.